sitting here in the Pali Puka. Puka just means hole. Kristen said I need to say that for the video. Enjoying our sunrise views and getting blasted with the wind.
Smile. Woo! Look at the sun. Look at everything.
So good morning. Of course, parked at the Pali Lookout. We are climbing up to the Pali Puka, which I will show when we get there. So this is just a quick little hike. Not in good footwear. Of course, still lost the boots, so I'm doing this thing in my ankles. But this is a hike me and Kristen did the first day I ever met her. So a little bit of nostalgia there. As you can tell, we're right on the edge. This is the route that I did not do last time because it was my first time and I was just following Kristen and she goes the easier way in the woods. But I'm taking the sketchier outside route even though I don't have boots on because I'm an idiot.
Sunrise.
Okay.
And then we can go to the Puka. Oh, you can sit right here.
There we go. Alright, so now we're going to the Puka.
Yippee-ki-yay, everybody.
So one thing Kristen has just informed me is that K2, one of the hikes that I have a video on, it's one of the longest hikes we've done, one of the tallest peaks we've climbed, is up there in the clouds. And so looking at it sideways is crazy because we started way down there in Tantalus and we did this entire ridge up to K2. Expected other people to be up here because we saw a car, but all to ourselves, man. So sitting here in the Pali Puka, but Puka just means hole. Kristen said I need to say that for the video. Yeah, just sitting in the Puka, the hole here, enjoying our sunrise views and getting blasted with the wind. Done with the Puka and heading back down, man. Having fun, man.
That's what I thought we were doing. It's recording on yours.
Okay.
Oh yeah, these walkaway shots look really good. Yay, smile. Woo! Okay, ready? 0.5. Okay, here we go. Look at the view. Look at the sun. Look at everything. Yay!
Oh man, look at my van. My home.
Way at the end of the parking lot.
That's why.
And make us walk extra.